wanna be with, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you, and I wanna be with, I wanna be with you, and you just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still?
Saved me so much time with styling. It did come with the curler rods in the front for the curtain bang, and then you guys, I just had to give you guys an up close look at everything. This is the construction of the unit. This is a 13x4. This right here is their new improved lace. You don't have to worry about tinting the lace. It's already tinted for you, which gives you this realistic hairline. Now I'm ready to get started to show you guys that the elastic drawstring is very easy. This is going to keep your wig double secured, which I am going to talk to you guys more about in the video, and how it is supposed to be used. So now that we have the are very, very small, which makes it look very realistic. Like, look, you can part it literally anywhere. Look how amazing that look blends with my skin. I didn't have to, you know, sometimes I have to use a little bit of foundation, lace tape on the edges, and the hair did not move. I did not use any spray. I didn't have to. You can for an extra meltdown look, but I didn't have to do that, y'all. So if I didn't have to do it, I didn't have to. So I went ahead and just played around with the hair. I used my hot comb and just kind of like molded the front to come. I did say that came in its own layers, but I did just, you know, layer it just a little bit more for my liking in the hair. Curls really, really good, y'all. I didn't have no trouble with curling. It curls very good. So I just went ahead and just did my own little adjustments, and that was about it. Like I did say, I like the bangs. I love that it's very airy, very soft, very light. This is perfect here. It was definitely different from the other curtain bangs units. This is just like perfect, okay? I did spray a little bit of holding sprays just so everything can stay in its place. But other than that, y'all, this unit is gorgeous. And most importantly, what I love about this unit is that it's easy to maintain and very much beginner friendly, or just a girl that just loves to just go and don't have to worry about doing too much with spending so much time on your hair, okay? Like, this is going to be your girl. Like, this is going to be something that you enjoy literally throwing on and going with, okay? Because everything is pre-done for you and the quality is just amazing. Now I'm going to show you guys what the back of the hair looks like as far as the elastic drawstring goes. So all you have to do is literally pull that elastic, and when you pull, you're going to feel everything basically kind of like secure, and it's going to tighten up. So imagine yourself just putting your hair up in a ponytail. It has a lot of versatility to it. I love how full it is. The hair is super light and the density is perfect. So imagine you just putting your hair up in a ponytail like this and just leaving out and going. Look how cute that looks in the back. You can't even tell that it's giving wig. Like, there's no tracks or nothing. Like, that is so neat. And I would love to wear this unit like going to the gym too as well, because you just know your hair is not going to move or go anywhere. You can literally bend over and nothing is going to fall over. Your hair is literally, your wig is not going to fall off and flip over at all. Like, look how great that looks. When I say security locked down. And look how cute this updo looks. I wanted to show you guys how this hair can look if you do a style with it. You can definitely pull the hair up, and look how great that lace looks. Like, you can't tell me that don't look like that's growing on my scalp. Like, let's be for real. I am impressed with this unit. Once again, Beautyforever has definitely gave the girls what they need. Okay, not what they want, but what they need. Let me know what y'all think down below. Everything will be listed in the description box. Until next time, I'll see you baby dolls in my next video.